Okay, we got this active enzyme laundry booster. Getting ready to do a load of laundry here. And what it is, you put it in with, I just opened it here. They sent it to us so we could show it to you. It comes with a little scoop here. And you put it in with your laundry soap. And what it does is it helps your soap. It helps it remove stains and odors, and it's like a natural type of a thing that helps. It's a concentrate that's formulated to help it boost and helps your laundry detergent to deodorize and remove stains from things. Here's what it says. Boost laundry detergents for use on all clothing, has bioenzymes to help break down stains and odors like that. And I've actually used it before. It's just, you just put it in, 1 to 2 scoops depending on how big or how soiled your clothing and stuff is. Like if you use it for a lot of like your heavy active wear, if you're out running marathons or doing a lot of heavy sports or really, really super dirty or hard work, or so usually I just use 1 scoop of it with my laundry detergent and stuff. So anyway, we just put a little scoop of it in with our laundry detergent and do a load of laundry. So I'm going to get a load of laundry started here and I'll show you. Put a scoop of the booster in there, and then see, we just put a little scoop of that in there, and then we're going to turn on the washer and let it do it. I have, like I said, I used it in the past and it's always done a really nice job for us, so we like it. Good stuff. All right.